तो ये देख सकते हो गंगा का व्यू। तो आज हम इसी का ही एक न्यू एडवेंचर करने जा रहे हैं, गंगा की एक नई एक्टिविटी जिसको बोलते हैं राफ्टिंग। तो
जो भी आपका अवेलेबल है वो एक डे में ड्राई बैग है हमारे पास, जो भी अवेलेबल है वो जीवन में नहीं है।
Front part of the raft, that's the back part. Your guide always sit on the back side. You guys have to sit on these outside windows, both sides. Okay. So we're gonna sit on the front. They have 1 foot cup here, so you can block your front feet on this, and then you're sitting proper outside. Okay, on the front, so you're gonna grab the handle from the both ends, and now lift crab over your chin and wrap your feet around the crab, like a baby monkey crab, nice and tight. Here. Everyone, here. Say hi to the GoPro. Say hi. You guys ready? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Forward. Long stroke, everybody. Come on. Okay, stop, everybody. Stop. Again, forward. Everybody, forward. Dig it hard, harder guys, harder. Let's go, forward. Okay, stop. You guys ready? Yes. Good. Okay, let's go. Forward, everyone. Forward. Harder. Hard forward. First. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Come on. Dig it hard. Harder. And stop, guys. Stop. Go forward. Everyone, come on, fast. Harder. Stop, everybody, stop. Again, forward. Look here. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Okay, say Ganga Maiya ki. Yeah. Good, let's go forward. Hard forward, everyone. Come on, dig it hard. Harder. Let's go forward. Harder. First. Yeah, keep going. Dig it hard. Harder. Keep going, guys. Hard. Okay, stop everybody, stop. And you guys, look here. Amidst rapid. Good, good. Move left, guys. Left, 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 left. Yeah, we're almost there, guys. Just a little more. Just a little more. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yes. We're almost there.